These spinach and cottage cheese waffles are so cheesy, fluffy, and delicious, perfect to replace even a bread at dinner with, let's say, a chili, or even for brunch, top it with your favorite meat, sausage, bacon, or eggs. Full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.